What's up guys, Visual here, but you can call me James, and in this video I'm going to be going through my setup and room tour. So guys, it has been a while since I've done an updated setup video. A lot of you have been requesting that I make a new one. The last one did so well, so thank you for that first of all. And yeah, I have actually moved rooms since that last video, so I thought why not do an updated video showing you guys my setup and room. Anyways, hopefully you do go on to enjoy. I just want to mention that all of the links to every product that I mention will be in the description down below if you are interested in purchasing it. So we're gonna go ahead and start off over here. This is my shoe rack. If you're interested in shoes, then this may of course interest you. If not, then you're probably not going to care. So first of all, first shoe here, we have the Yeezy 700s, then we have the Sean Wotherspoons, then we've also got the Nike Off-White Prestos, Human Races by Pharrell, and then we've also got Yeezy 350s, we've also got some 97s here, and then if we move down we've got the Gucci slides. I literally never wear these, the Yeezy 500s, and then moving on down here we've got some more 350s. Above the shoe rack, as you can see here, we've got two shelves just with boxes on it. I mean, it's decoration, I guess. Below the shelf, as you can see here, we have a mirror. I mean, everyone knows the purpose of a mirror. To the right of the mirror, we have a small little seat. I guess it's like a guest chair. On top of the chair, I do have my laptop. This is a HP laptop, as you can see. I rarely ever use this just because I'm mainly using my computer most of the time, but if I do ever travel, then that is perfect for traveling. Moving on here, as you can see, we have my desk set up. Hopefully this is going to be the main thing you guys are interested in. So I'm going to be going through product by product and telling you guys a little bit about it. So starting off down here, we do have my computer. This is a CyberPower PC. I did actually do a review on this unit, so if you are interested in seeing that, I'll leave a link to it below as well. In here, as you can see, we just have some wires, not really anything interesting in there. And then moving on to my desk, as you can see, we have a dual monitor setup. Both monitors were sent to me by BenQ. The first one here is a little smaller than the other one, however they are both from the same design series. This I believe is around about 24 inch, and yeah, it works really well for designing. Underneath that we do have my portable speaker. This is like an Anker one, works really well. I don't really use it too often. And then over here, as you can see, we do have the other monitor, which is, as I said, from the same series. This is like the 27 inch model I believe, and I actually did a review on this unit, so if you are interested in that, that will be below as well, and soon I will be doing a review on this one as well. Here we just have two figurines. I believe these are called Bear Bricks. And then on top of my desk here, as you can see, we do have my large mouse pad. This is from Corsair, works really well and does fill a lot of the desk space. On top of the mouse pad, I do have my phone. This is the iPhone 7. I will be upgrading soon, however I am in a contract at the moment with it. And then over here we also have my keyboard. This is the Corsair K65 RGB, I believe. It works really well. I believe it has brown switches, so it does sound really nice. Moving on to the right here, we do have my Logitech mouse. This is the MX Master 2S. Works really well for designing. Probably the best mouse I've ever used. Moving over to the right, we do have my microphone setup. This mic is the Audio-Technica AT2020 USB mic. As you can see, I do have two pop filters on it because I have a bit of a lisp, so I mean they are needed. Behind the monitor here, you can't really see it too well, but I do have an Elgato Hd60. If I'm ever playing on the PS4 and I do need to record some footage, then of course I can use the Elgato. Also on my desk, I do have this studio lamp. This works perfectly when I do record my videos. As you can see, if I turn it on, it is really bright. It's also really small as well, which is perfect because a lot of the studio lamps you see are massive. But yeah, as I said, this one works perfectly. I just set this up here and it's great lighting for my videos. Underneath my desk, as you can see, the cable management isn't the best, but it also isn't the worst. I have an LED strip running along the bottom here. This I also have set to white. I'm able to use this control here to set the color, and then I have this literally stuck on with Velcro at the bottom of my desk. And yeah, this LED strip is actually really cheap and it works really well. Moving over to the left here, we do have my headphones. These are the Brainwaves HM9. These headphones are actually really affordable and they work really well, so I definitely recommend those. Moving on to the chair that I use for my setup, we have the GT 60 Omega racing chair. I believe this is from their Evo XL series, something like that. The chair is actually really comfortable. It's also fairly expensive though, but if you are looking for a gaming chair, I would recommend that. The chair also has like a removable headrest. As I said, it is really comfortable, and it also is red as well, so it works perfect with my setup. Moving on, here we have the less interesting side of my room. However, I'm sure a lot of you will still be interested. If you do like fashion, then you will know what this coat is. It's a Canada Goose coat. Pretty expensive coat. I don't really think it was worth the money, but regardless, it is nice. Here we have my gaming, well, not gaming chair, but I guess like sort of big office chair. This is more like for guests, I guess. Yeah, this is more for guests. I never really sit on this at all. And then underneath it, as you can see, we have my rug. Really comfortable rug, to be fair. To the right of me, as you can see, we've got my bed. This is literally just a standard double bed. Not really anything interesting, but this is where a lot of action takes, no action takes place here. Moving on, here we just have some blinds. Then we have my skateboard. I'm never actually skating at all, but I do have it for decoration there. It's a Supreme skateboard. Moving on over here, as you can see, we just have a power bank. We have my wallet, and then just an SD card and a Supreme cactus. To the left of that, we have my Amazon Alexa. I always use this for music purposes. I mean, it is actually perfect. The speakers on it are really good as well. Next to my bed here, we do have my school bag. This is a North Face Supreme bag. Like I said before, if you are interested in fashion, then you will care. Otherwise, you're not gonna give a shit. Moving on, here we do have my wardrobe, as you can see. I don't want to go into too much detail regarding like clothing wise, because like I said, I'm sure a lot of you aren't interested. But I mean, I guess it is also a room tour. So for those who are interested, I do have, of course, all of my t-shirts in here. So we've got like some off-white t-shirts. We've got some Supreme t-shirts. Literally just all of the t-shirts that I do wear, of course, are in here. As well as my t-shirts, as you can see, I also have some other stuff in here. So I've got like jackets, hoodies as well. One day I'm gonna have a walk-in wardrobe though, so look out for that in the future. Down below here we have some boxes, my belt as well, and some sunglasses at the back. Also in here we have some hats. I literally never wear hats. I used to wear hats in like every video, but no, I just don't. Look like a bit of a twat with them. Down below here we've got some boring stuff. We've literally just got pants and socks in this drawer. We've also got my baseball bat in case anyone tries to rob me. I've got that. And then down below here we've got some school books I never actually open. Above my wardrobe, as you can see, we don't really have anything interesting here. Literally just some boxes and extra storage. And then above that we have my Supreme blimp, which I paid way too much for, but I mean, I guess it looks cool. Anyways guys, that's it for the video. Hopefully you did go on to enjoy it. If you did, then make sure to leave a like. That would be much appreciated. As I said, a lot of you were requesting that I make this video, so hopefully you did enjoy it. In around a year's time, who knows, I might have a new setup, so look out for one then. As well as that, if you are new to the channel and you are interested in seeing my videos, then make sure to subscribe with post notifications on, and you will be notified every time I upload a brand new video. And yes guys, as I said, if you are looking to check anything out that I did mention during this video, then links will be in the description down below. Hopefully you did enjoy, and yeah, this has been Visual or James, and I'm out. Peace.
What's up guys, Visual here, but you can call me James, and in this video I'm obviously going to be showing you guys my setup. Moving on, over here we have two of my monitors, and you may be asking how come I don't have two of the same monitors, and that's because I like to do a bit of graphic design work and gaming on the side. So moving on, over here we have a pop vinyl, Funko Pop, whatever you want to call it, just adds a bit of spice to the setup. And behind that we have my Logitech speakers. I believe these are around about £10 on Amazon. Moving on, over here we have my computer, and you may be asking how come I don't have a gaming PC, how come I don't have a PC that I built personally. And that's because I just couldn't afford it, and I think this was on sale when I got it, so it was really cheap price. Moving on, over here I do have my Xbox One. Now the reason I don't have a PS4 is just because I don't feel the need to upgrade, and also all of my friends are on the Xbox One, so there's no need for me to go out and purchase a PS4. It'd just be a waste of money. So next to my Xbox One I do have a ginormous Rubik's Cube, which is nearly the size of my hand, and yeah, I did actually complete this, and it does light up also, but unfortunately I can't find any batteries for it. So next to that we do have my games collection. Here I have Fallout 4, FIFA 15, Black Ops 3 and GTA 5. Now they're the only games that I do play and there's no need for me to go out and purchase some more. So right underneath this I do have my Moto G 2015 edition. Really good phone and I use it as my daily driver. Underneath here we do have my printer. This is just a HP printer that I use for things like schoolwork and so forth. And then next to this we do have a little cabinet where I do have some paper clips, bicycle cards, Xbox One controller and some DVDs. So yeah, so I do hope you enjoy this video. This has been Visual or James and I'm out.